If you want to create a professional online resume website that helps you stand out, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a resume website with WordPress, no coding needed. Whether you're applying for jobs, building your personal brand, freelancing, or creating an online CV and portfolio, having your own website can make you look far more professional than just sending a PDF resume alone. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional resume website where you can showcase your experience, skills, projects, portfolio, contact information, and more. For this tutorial, I'll be using Bluehost for hosting, which is officially recommended by WordPress and makes the setup process really simple for beginners. It also includes a free domain name when you choose an annual plan, and if you want the best Bluehost discount available, click the link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive discount of up to 78% off, plus a free domain name. If you go directly to Bluehost without it, you'll see higher prices. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best possible deal. And before we begin building the website step by step, let me quickly show you a preview of the resume website we'll be creating in this tutorial. As you can see, the website has a clean and professional design that works great for resumes, CVs, personal brands, freelancers, and portfolio websites. At the top, we have a professional hero section with your name, job title, short introduction, and call to action buttons so visitors and employers can quickly learn more about you or contact you. As we scroll down, you can showcase your skills, work experience, education, certifications, projects, portfolio items, testimonials, and anything else you want employers or clients to see. There's also a professional about section, service or expertise areas, social media links, and a contact form so people can easily get in touch with you. The great thing about this website is that you can fully customize everything, including the colors, fonts, images, sections, and layout without needing to touch any code. And the website is also fully mobile responsive, meaning it looks great on phones, tablets, and desktops. Now let's go ahead and start building the website step by step with WordPress. The first step is to choose your domain name and hosting. Go to the description below and click the Bluehost link. That link gives you up to 78% off plus a free domain name, and it'll take you directly to the correct pricing page. Once you click it, you'll land on the Bluehost page. From there, click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, you'll see 4 main plans: One Site, Starter, Business Essentials, and E-commerce Essentials. For most of you creating a resume website, the One Site plan is more than enough. It allows you to create one website, includes fast NVMe storage, and is ideal for new or small business sites. If you plan to build multiple websites in the future, then the Starter plan gives you more flexibility with additional websites and more storage. The Business Essentials plan is a great option for businesses, professionals, and growing websites that need more features and performance than the lower tier plans. The E-commerce Essentials plan is designed for anyone who wants to sell products, services, digital downloads, courses, or coaching directly through their website. But again, if you're building one resume website, the One Site plan is perfectly fine to start with. So I'm going to select the One Site plan. After selecting your plan, you'll be taken to the domain page. This is where you can register a brand new domain or connect one you already own. If you're starting fresh, just type in the domain name you'd like, something like yourbusinessname.com, and click search to see if it's available. If you already own a domain, select I want to use a domain I already own. And if you're not sure what name you want yet, you can click Choose Domain Later, and Bluehost will assign you a temporary domain so you can start building immediately. You'll also see an option for Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I personally recommend this. Without it, your name, email, and address are publicly listed in the Whois database. With domain privacy enabled, Bluehost replaces your information with theirs, keeping your personal details private. If you value privacy, it's worth considering. Next, you'll choose your term length. You'll save the most money with the longer terms, like 3 or 4 years, because they offer the biggest discount. The 1-year term still gives you a good discount and includes the free domain. Just keep in mind, the monthly term does not include a free domain and costs the most overall. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the 1-year term. Next, create your account, review the optional add-ons, and enter your payment details. Once you click Submit Payment, Bluehost will finalize your purchase and email your login credentials. After a moment, your hosting account will finish setting up. And the best part, Bluehost automatically installs WordPress for you, so you won't have to manually configure anything. After your account finishes setting up, you'll be taken to your Bluehost dashboard. Under the Websites tab, this is where you manage your website. You'll see your new website listed there. Click Manage, and then click Edit Site to log directly into WordPress. Now we're inside WordPress. This is where we'll actually build your resume website. Now let's install our WordPress theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Astra. Astra is a lightweight, beginner-friendly, and works perfectly with Elementor, which is what we'll be using to customize our resume website. Click Install, then Activate, and just like that, your new theme is live. Now, instead of building everything from scratch, let me show you how to import a professionally designed resume website in just a few clicks. Go to Plugins, Add Plugin, search for Starter Templates, click Install Now, then Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll land on the Welcome to Astra page. Click Exit Guided Setup in the top right. Next, go to Appearance, Starter Templates, select Classic Starter Templates, then click Build with Templates. Next, choose Elementor as your page builder. If a different builder is selected at the top, just switch it to Elementor. Now you'll see a large library of professionally designed websites. You can search, browse categories, or scroll through the full collection. Hover over the Personal Sites category and click Portfolio and CV. This will filter templates specifically designed for resume and CV websites. If you see Premium next to a template, that means it requires the paid version. The free ones will not have that label. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the template called Portfolio and CV. Once you select a template, you'll have the option to upload a logo, choose fonts, set brand colors. If you don't have those ready yet, that's completely fine. We can customize everything later. Click Continue. On the Select Features page, you can choose additional options, but for this tutorial, I'll click Skip this step. Then on the next screen, just click Submit and build my website. Now, WordPress will import the full website for you. This usually only takes about a minute. And just like that, your professionally designed resume website is built. Click View Your Website to see it live. Now let's customize it. At the top of the page, click Edit with Elementor. This opens Elementor's drag and drop editor, where you can visually edit everything on your website in real time: text, images, colors, layouts, without touching any code. And this is where the fun begins. Now let's start by customizing the most important part of your website, the top section, also known as the Hero section. This is the first thing visitors will see when they land on your resume website, so we want it to professionally represent you and clearly showcase who you are and what you do. To change the background image, right-click anywhere inside the top section and select Edit Container. Then go to the Style tab, scroll down to Background Overlay. If you want to remove the current image, hover over it and click the trash can icon. To replace it, click the image area. From here, you can either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your media library. I'm going to choose an image I've already uploaded and click Select. And just like that, the new background image is applied. Now let's make it look even more professional. Click into the color option to choose an overlay color. This is helpful for improving readability and matching your brand colors. And that's how you customize the top section background. Next, let's update the text so it reflects you and your professional background. Click directly on the headline. You'll see the text appear in the left panel. Go ahead and change it to whatever you'd like. Next, let's update your contact information. Click on the email address and replace it with your own email. Then do the same for the phone number so employers, recruiters, or potential clients can easily reach it. If you'd like, you can also add or remove contact details depending on what information you want to display. If you'd like, you can also change the icons by clicking on the icon widget and selecting a different icon from the library. Or if you don't want to display a particular contact method, you can simply delete that item. Now let's update your profile photo. Click on the image and the left panel, click the image area. From here, you can upload a new image, search for stock images, or choose one from your media library. I'll select one I've already uploaded and click select. And just like that, the new image appears. Try to choose a high quality photo with good lighting that clearly shows your face, as this helps create a strong first impression and makes your resume website look more professional. If needed, you can adjust alignment or styling under the Style tab. Once you've updated everything, click the arrow next to Publish, then select Save Draft. To preview your changes, click the Preview Changes icon, and just like that, you've edited your first section using Elementor, no coding, just click, edit, and save. Now let's edit a button. Scroll down to the button, click directly on the button. From the left panel, you can change the button text and paste the URL into the link field. If you click the small settings icon next to the link, you can choose to open it in a new window, mark it as no follow. You likely won't need these right away, but it's good to know they're there. You can also add an icon by selecting Icon Library or uploading your own SVG. Under the Style tab, you can change text color, background color, and under Hover, you can customize how it looks when someone moves their mouse over it. This gives your site a more interactive, professional feel. Now, let's customize the Experience section so it reflects your professional background and work history. Scroll down until you see the section that lists your experience or previous positions. Click on one of the job titles to start editing. Go ahead and change the text to match your own work experience. For example, you might add something like Marketing Manager, Web Designer, Software Developer, Graphic Designer, Sales Associate. Then click into the description area and add a short summary explaining your responsibilities, achievements, or the type of work you did in that role. Keep it simple and easy to read. You want visitors, employers, or potential clients to quickly understand your background and experience within just a few seconds. You can also include the company name and the years you worked there. You can repeat the same process for each experience item on your resume website. Once you've updated your experience, click Save Draft. If you continue scrolling down, you'll also notice a portfolio section. This is a great place to showcase your best work, projects, certifications, case studies, design work, writing samples, or any other accomplishments that highlight your skills and experience. To edit one of the portfolio items, simply click on it. In the left panel, you'll see the Portfolio Images section. Click on it to manage your gallery. If you'd like to remove the current images, click the X icon at the top. To add your own images, click Add to Gallery. From here, you can either upload new images from your computer or choose images you've already uploaded to your media library. I'll select 6 images as an example and click Add to Gallery. If you'd like, you can click on any images to update the alt text, caption, title, or other image details before adding it to your gallery. Once you're finished, click Insert Gallery, and just like that, your portfolio images have been added. Back in the left panel, you can easily rearrange the image order, remove images, or add additional ones whenever you'd like. If you don't plan on displaying projects or portfolio pieces on your resume website, you can simply right-click the section handle and select Delete to remove the entire section. Next, let me show you how to add new elements and sections to build out your site even further. Click the plus icon in the top left to open the Elements panel. From here, you can drag in widgets like headings, images, buttons, icon boxes, and many more. Simply drag the element into place and start customizing it immediately. You can edit content, change colors, adjust spacing, modify layout. If you want to duplicate something, right-click and select Duplicate. To remove it, right-click and choose Delete. Remember, nothing is permanent. Everything can be moved or changed at any time. If you want to add a brand new section, scroll to where you'd like it. Hover and click the plus icon. Click the plus icon again. Choose Flexbox, then select your layout structure. Now, you could drag elements into this new section and build it out however you'd like. To move a section, click the 6 dots icon and drag it. To delete a section, hover and click the X. Finally, if you scroll down, you'll see the Starter Templates option. Click Blocks to browse pre-designed sections like testimonials, contact areas, or hero sections. If you find one you like, click it and click Import Block to add it instantly. This is a great way to expand your site quickly without designing everything from scratch. Now I want to go over the contact form and make sure it's set up correctly, because this is how potential employers, recruiters, clients, or business connections will be able to contact you through your resume website. First, let's save our changes. Click Save Draft. Next, click the preview icon to open your website. Hover over your site name at the top and click Dashboard. Then go to WP Forms. You'll see your Contact Us form listed here. Hover over it and click Edit. This opens the WP Forms builder. Click on Settings, then go to Notifications. This is where you control where form submissions are sent. In the Send to Email Address field, make sure this is your actual business email address, the one where you want to receive customer inquiries. If this isn't updated, you may not receive form submissions, so double check this carefully. You can also change the From email if needed. Next, click Confirmations. This is the message visitors see after they submit the form. You can customize this to say something like, "Thank you for contacting me. I'll get back to you within 24 hours. This makes your website feel more professional and responsive. If you want to change the form itself, click on any field to edit it. From the left panel, you can rename the field, make it required or optional, change the field size, add placeholder text. If you'd like to add a new field, simply drag it in from the left. To duplicate or delete a field, hover over it and select the appropriate option. Once you're finished, click Save at the top. Then click the X to exit the builder. Now your contact form is fully set up, and every time someone fills it out, the message will be sent directly to your email. Now let me quickly show you a few important Elementor basics you should know. At the top right of Elementor, click Publish whenever you're ready to make your changes live. If you click the arrow next to it, you can save the page as a draft or even save it as a template to reuse later. If you ever want to preview your site, click the eye icon. You can also switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure everything looks good on every device. If you click the Elementor icon in the top left, then click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon, it'll take you back to your WordPress dashboard. Under Pages, you can click Add Page to create additional pages for your resume website, such as an About page, Portfolio page, Resume page, Projects page, Contact page. Under Appearance, Menus, you can edit your navigation menu. From here, you can add new pages to the menu, rearrange items, create drop-down submenus, rename, or remove menu items. Just drag items slightly to the right to create a sub-menu. Click Save Menu when you're finished. If you ever need extra features on your site, you can go to Plugins, Add Plugin, and search for additional functionality. There are thousands of plugins available to expand what your website can do, and that's the core of how WordPress works. Now let's quickly look at the header. This is the top section of your website where your logo, navigation menu, and any important links usually appear. To edit it, go to Appearance, Customize. Here, you can click directly on elements like the logo, menu, or social media icons to edit them. You can move things around to get them how you like. If you click on the logo, you can upload your own business logo. To remove something, click the X button here next to it. Once you're done, click Publish to save your changes. Now, scroll down to the bottom of your website to the footer. Here, you could update things like your info, social accounts, services offered, copyright text, just like shown in the header area. This is also a great place to add important links like your resume, portfolio, projects, LinkedIn profile, or contact page if needed. When you're finished, click Publish. To add a favicon, click the back arrow icon as many times as you can. Click Site Identity. You can now add or change the favicon to what you like. Now, let's quickly update your global site styles so everything matches your brand. Click the back arrow icon as many times as you can. Click the global icon in the left side menu. Here, you'll see options for colors, typography, buttons, and more. Click Colors. This is where you can set your primary brand color. For example, a deep blue, black, gray, or another professional color that reflects your personal brand and gives your resume website a clean and trustworthy look. When you update the primary colors here, it will automatically update buttons and accent elements across your entire site. This saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent. Now, click Typography. Here, you can adjust your global fonts for headings and body text. Choose something clean and professional. For resume websites, clean and professional fonts work great for headings, paired with an easy-to-read font for your main body text and resume sections. If you click Buttons, you can globally adjust the button style, including background color, text color, and hover effects. This ensures all buttons across your site look consistent. Once you're finished, click Publish to apply the changes. And just like that, your entire website has a consistent professional look. Now that everything is customized and ready to go, it's time to publish your website. Click Publish in Elementor to save all changes. Now open your website in a new tab and take a final look. Click through your pages, test your contact form, make sure everything works properly. And just like that, your resume website is now live, and that's it. You now have a fully functional professional resume website built with WordPress and Elementor, without running a single line of code. From here, you can continue building out your resume website by adding a portfolio section to showcase your work, projects or case studies, testimonials or recommendations to help build trust and credibility, an about page to introduce yourself and your background, dedicated pages for your resume, certifications, skills, or services, and a contact form so employers, recruiters, clients, or business connections can easily reach out. Your website can continue growing as your career experience or personal brand grows. Just remember, your resume website is often the first impression someone has of you professionally, so keep it updated, highlight your experience and skills clearly, make it easy for visitors to contact you, and continue improving it over time. And if you followed along using Bluehost, you now have reliable hosting that's ready to support your website as it grows. If you haven't grabbed hosting yet, I've left a discounted Bluehost link in the description below, where you can get the best Bluehost deal available, plus a free domain name on annual plans. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress and website tutorials. And if you have any questions while building your resume website, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help.